So today we'll tell you how to track the conversions and sales that you are getting in your Max Bounty account, so you can know from which keyword, device, IP address, time you are getting conversions, and on the basis of that you can make your existing campaign more profitable. So we'll tell you everything in a complete detail. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the website which we are going to use track Max Bounty sales and conversion is QLiker. So what is QLiker? QLiker is basically a tracker which we are going to use to track Max Bounty sales and conversion. The conversions we are getting on Max Bounty, we are going to track them through QLiker. So QLiker will tell us from which device we are getting the conversion, which keyword is bringing us the conversion, on which time or most of the time we are getting the conversion, which IP address is getting us the conversion, which location is getting us the conversion. So all this data we are going to get through QLiker, and using all this data we are going to make our existing campaign more profitable, and or you can say we can increase the profitability of the campaign we are already running. So now let me show you the pricing plan that comes with QLiker. So QLiker basically comes with 4 pricing plan. One is free, the other is starter, then advanced, and then professional. The free plan is of course free. You don't have to pay any cost in this. It's a 1 month free trial and 500 clicks are allowed on this plan, and one custom tracking domain you can attach. Then the starter plan is of $20, then advanced is of $50, and professional is of $80. So let's say you join this free plan, and if you send 500 clicks, then in that case, if you want to send more clicks, you have to upgrade to the starter, advanced, or professional plan. So now let me just log in into my QLiker account. So now you can see I've logged into my QLiker account. The same way you have to also create your account on QLiker and you have to log in. And once you have logged in, the next step is that you have to create the tracking for the offer you want to track. So let's say for example, this is the offer Hide My Ass VPN. We want to track this offer. So you have to click on build tracking link button, and then let's choose the search traffic, and here comes our affiliate link. So this is our affiliate link. Just copy this, and once you have copied this, you have to come to your QLiker, and then you have to give the name for your tracking link. The name can be Hide My Ass VPN test. You have to also give name like this, and in the primary URL you have to paste the affiliate link that you have just copied. The affiliate link of this offer, you have to copy it and paste it here. And once you have done that, you just have to add at the end of this link, and S2 is equals to square bracket click ID and square bracket close. You have to add this at the end of your affiliate link so that you can pass the click ID through S2 parameter in Max Bounty, and then you have to click on save changes button. So now you can see the tracking link has been set up. You can see here the name Hide My Ass VPN test. So if you click on this, the name of this, you can see here this is the tracking link. You can just copy it and you can paste it on Notepad or wherever you want, because you will be required to use this link whenever you are going to promote your offer through Bing ad or through any other traffic source. And once you have done all this process, the next step is that you have to paste your postback URL in your Max Bounty. So for that you just have to hover to the tools tab. You have to click here, and in the drop down menu you have to go to postback builder, and after that you can see here it's written select network. So you have to click here, and in the drop down menu you can see there are many CPA and affiliate networks. You have to choose Max Bounty because Max Bounty is the only CPA network that we are going to use to promote the offers. So let's choose Max Bounty, and you can see here the parameters that click S2 is equals to click ID has come, that we have added earlier at the end of our affiliate link. So this is our postback URL. So just copy this, and once you have copied this postback URL, you have to hover back to Max Bounty, and now you have to click on this profile icon that is on top right corner. You have to click here, and from the drop down menu you have to choose global postback, and now you can see where it's written no default set. You have to click here, and from the drop down menu you have to choose URL any campaign tracking type. You have to click here, and in the box below you have to just paste the postback URL that you copied from QLiker, that is this one. You just have to copy this and you have to paste it here, and you have to click on save global postback. So this was the complete process to track Max Bounty conversions using QLiker as a tracker. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any doubt, you can ask them in the comments below. Till then, bye bye, take care.